What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and this time one of the biggest news regarding the Galaxy Z Flip has just been arrived. A leaked image over the Twitter account shared by Benji Skin has been appeared, and I'm just excited about that particular device. While we are excited to get up closer and personal with the second generation folding clamshell design, the leaked video answers a few questions as to just how Samsung have achieved this unique form factor. The video doesn't give us a lot of information regarding the specification of the device, but the device has a design which is looking like similar to a boxy design. When folded, will be looking a small type of device inside and can be placed in our pocket quite easily. The 19-second hands-on clip showcases the actual folding process and gives us a detail about how the folding phone will look like. When opening the device, we will see that the information which is coming from the leakster is pretty much confirming that the front of the device is going to be of 6.7 inch of dynamic AMOLED display is going to be seen, and also it is coming with an infinity OLED display. The edges around the corner are even protected, and now we see bumpers around the edges of the device. Getting an experience from previous generations of foldables, Samsung has now done much more protection on front of the device than their previous fold. While we know that there are many leaks that we might see an ultra thin glass on front of the device, but from looking at the video we can't tell whether the phone is using a new form of ultra thin glass from Samsung or not. Front of the device is also a 22:9 aspect ratio, which ensures that when unfolded the Galaxy Z Flip will be a taller design but without really sacrificing the space. Also, we didn't see any latch that the device is going to be stopping at 70 or 110 degrees that has been leaked previously over the internet. On closer inspection, it does look that there will be a visible crease, but given that the fold completely shuts, that was to be expected. I'm definitely interested in the glass feels under the thumb when compared to the Galaxy Fold, which had a very plasticky-like feel under the fingers. So guys, when the device is folded, you will also see that on the back of the device, a 1.6 inch leaked Super AMOLED screen is also seen on the back side, which has some information regarding the notification and time on that. Also, we see a dual camera setup present on the back side. The video doesn't mention the specification of the sensor which is coming on the back side. Alongside with camera, we also see an LED flashlight, and the back, if we look at closely, have a glossy look, which means we might see a Gorilla Glass protection on the back side as well. The device is going to be launching alongside with the Galaxy S20 series later this month, and we already know quite a substantial amount of information regarding the Galaxy Z Flip prior to its hands-on video. It is expected that we might see a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor inside the device, and at least 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage is expected to be coming in upcoming Galaxy Z Flip. There is no outright confirmation of the specification without specification in this particular clip, but many leakster and render images which have a great track record have confirmed that these are going to be seen in upcoming Galaxy Fold. So guys, we don't have much longer to wait to see what this Galaxy Z Flip will bring us on the table, because the launching event is going to be held on February 11 this month, and literally there are few days remaining regarding the launch event to be organized. So that is pretty much it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, a sub will be massively appreciated. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next exciting video. Peace out.